So, if you know you ship all this African stuff like crawfish, stockfish, these two important things, I need it. So DM me, let's do some business, okay? I need some stockfish. As you can see, I'm cooking since some months now. I haven't added stockfish on my soup. You know, I like using stockfish to cook my soup. So, and crawfish. Even this soup I cook now, just little crawfish that I have left. I thought I have grounded one, but nope. So, I need some stockfish. If you're shipping, there's one I saw on Facebook. So, the person is like saying,
there's some that
yeah,
is 200,000.
is it their, how did they call it?
There's some that is 400,000. So, it depends. So, if you ship some African stuff, DM me, let's do some business. So, if I like what I see, we'll go ahead, okay? So yeah, because I like to eat and cook with my crawfish and stockfish. So another stuff that I needed, okay? So yeah, my soup, like to fry my egusi, as you can see frying. So all those things that I just say here, I need it, okay? If you know you ship to US, okay? So DM me, let me know so I can get some little stuff. The stuff we buy here, oh my God, just God help us. It's, I don't know. I'm just using my, what they called. I'm just using my goat meat and the fish. I smoked some fish. That's what I use. A little crawfish. Okay, so the soup was very, you know, if you don't know how to cook, even if you have a little stuff, you can just make something out of it, right? So, learn how to cook. Yeah, so this is a little crawfish that I have left. I just blended this with some my ogiri. Yeah. So the soup is coming together. My nut cube, yeah. So sorry, yes. It couldn't break to pieces. I just throw in there. Added some what do they call it? Some uziza seed to it. Yeah, the soup was yummy. Everyone enjoyed it. So let me leave you to watch the video. So at this point, the soup is done. I added some dried bitter leaf. That's what I use. I was supposed to use spinach, but I went to the store and forgot to get some spinach. So the one I used to have on my freezer finished. Yeah, spinach have not been, you know, I have missed it in the house before, but I don't know what happened. I went to the store, but I couldn't get it. But it's okay.